Hey guys, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for future video notifications. There's a new auditor in town, goes by the name of News Now Ninja. The link is in the description. Please go over to his channel and subscribe, and don't forget to tell him News Now California sent you. This is an absolutely crazy audit. News Now Ninja is not allowed into the public area of a courthouse, then is allowed to come into the public area of a courthouse, and then is trespassed from the public area of the courthouse by a judge. Enjoy the video.
She's coming. Thank you. I don't want to get her in trouble.
Okay, that's fine. All right.
Sir?
You got something good, but I don't want to get you in trouble.
Yeah. What was your name?
Just another example of a public servant refusing to identify himself with his name. Why public servants refuse to identify themselves with their names is beyond me, considering that public servants are being paid by the taxpayers of the county that the public servant works in. It just makes no sense, and people wonder why there's a disconnect with public servants.
Sir, you're a public servant. What was your name? Yeah, your job is, I'm trying to, hello, I'm public member. Hello? Okay, well now I'm for sure going to get a temporary pass if this act like that. Hey. Oh yeah, y'all just gonna drive past me? I tried to just wave them down and they wouldn't even stop.
There you have it, folks. News Now Ninja waves his hand at a cop. The cop just continues on. Why would a cop do that? Why would a cop, when somebody is flagging you down, just continue on? Once again, the public servants wonder why there is a disconnect with the community.
I'm going in.
You back?
Can I get a temporary pass?
Sure. Alright. Oh shoot, she took, okay. In the last 14 days, have you been in contact with anybody with a confirmed case of COVID?
Nope.
Do you have any COVID-related symptoms at all?
Nope.
Very good.
I'm hot and sweaty, that's about it. Thank you so much.
Have you been in contact with anyone?
All right.
Can't come in, sir, if you don't have bill.
I can't come in if I don't have court.
No,
Who said that?
the officer.
Let me talk to him.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, you can go.
That's not how this works.
Yes, it does.
Call his superior now.
This is a courtroom.
Well, here we go again, folks. This idiot security guard who is standing in front of the Herbert W. Gee Municipal Courthouse just told News Now Ninja that he can't come in unless he's going to court, and this is a courtroom. Remember, he told him this is a courtroom as he's standing in front of the courthouse. God help us all.
This is a violation of civil rights. Yeah, officer, come here. Come deal with the guy with the camera.
You can get him off the premises.
I need to talk to you real quick. I have a band, and I'm just trying to get the officer's name inside who was rude to me to file a complaint on him, and he is not being very cordial. Could you go in there and get? And they're saying I can't even come into that building unless I have court, which is totally unlawful.
Did you talk to the officer before?
He told me that I can't come in.
Okay.
I need you to come correct him, educate him, sir.
I will, but stand over here for me.
Yeah, he needs some education. You're about to learn today.
Oh.
You. It's free education for fun. Free education for fun, man. It's free education for fun. You need to learn that I can film in there. And I'm allowed to film in there. It's your job to know courthouse security. If you secure the courthouse, it's up to you to know the law. Okay. Yes. So you should at least know the way it works here, right? All right, here we go.
Keep your cool, man. Just keep your cool.
I got this. I've been doing this, homie. You're about to get to watch it firsthand. Just don't talk, okay?
I got you.
I mean, I got screened. I did everything that they asked me to simply go in and exercise my right inside of this public courthouse.
Yeah, he said you got to get a temporary pass.
And I did that. And then he said, you can't come in unless you have court. That is not the law.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Okay.
I can't go into the courtroom. Sorry, I'm just consulting with my
Yeah, it's fine with me.
I'm just trying to go into the public accessible areas, capture some quick footage, and it's all about I'm building a story here.
Okay.
I'm news purposes. I'm credentialed media. I have more than rights to go inside that building and capture.
Inside the building.
I have yet to be in there yet.
Okay,
As soon as I walked up,
you got to check by the tent, right?
I did. This is what they gave me for a temporary pass.
Okay.
That's what he told me. I need to go get a temporary pass, so I got the temporary pass.
Right.
I came back. The other officer, because I asked for his name and badge number, he didn't want to give it to me. He said, that doesn't matter.
Inside or you
No,
came out?
the officer came out.
Came out, okay.
And then I said, hey, I was just trying to ask a question. He goes, I got better things to do. I was like, whoa, you're supposed to help me out. I'm a member of public. What's your name and badge number? He said, I'm working, and walked off. So I went and got a pass so that I could go in there, because now my official business is to get his name and badge number, because I'm gonna go right back to file a complaint on him.
So hold on.
And I'm gonna
First, initially tried to go inside
for my film
you didn't
purposes.
actually have-
No, I did. As soon as I
You
tried to
didn't
go
have
in,
the
anytime I've tried to go in, I've had this band.
Okay, but
I have
earlier
not.
today, I'm saying that's why.
I have not tried to go inside of here without a band, not once.
My God, this cop is dumb as a rock, and that's an insult to rocks. How many times must News Now Ninja repeat himself to this idiot cop? Oh my God.
Not once.
Not once.
That's the first time.
Nope, never went.
So
Never
you
tried to
still
go
had
in
the
there.
band when you tried to get in.
I walked up, I filmed the door. I asked him, what do I need to do to be able to go in? He said, go get a band. I got a band. I came back to go in. I never tried to go in without a band.
Oh, cool. I'm okay with that. Okay. Well,
I'm trying to exercise my rights, man. I'm sure you've seen the videos on this.
I haven't seen any videos.
First Amendment, you never heard of First Amendment activists?
No.
Oh man, that seems strange.
Yeah, so he's letting me down. He's trying to get something from the house. He got some business inside. He said he wants to complain on this. These officers. Let me go talk to them real quick.
And I want to exercise my rights to film in a public area.
That's fine.
What was your name, badge number? Moses?
Sergeant.
And you're a sergeant, no numbers, right? Awesome.
What's going on today?
Man, I've been just going around all around Houston. I went to the police headquarters and did a couple FOIA requests, and just been walking around, not really trying to even get into too much today. You know, it was a nice day. It wasn't 110 degrees. I saw the white tents, so I came just to kind of ask them, like, are you doing COVID testing? What's going on? You know, I have a news channel, so I'm just building some content. They were like, no, this is just for the people that are going in the courthouse. I was like, oh, okay, no big deal. So I came over here, I filmed the door just to see what kind of, things they had posted.
Yeah.
I asked him, what do I need to be able to go in? He said, you have to be screened. So I went over to the table to get screened, and just to go in to film inside the public lobbies and get that officer's name that told me that I couldn't. And then the officer inside told the security guard that I'm not allowed in the courthouse unless I have court.
Okay.
Is that correct?
I'm not up to speed on a lot of the court stuff. I do know that a lot of times you're allowed to go in and sit on a court, but you're not allowed to go in there in the court.
I'm not wanting to go into the courtroom. I'm wanting to go into the public lobby.
Okay.
I don't want nothing to do with being inside the courtroom. I want to check out the lobbies, foyers, and hallways, which I'm allowed to film at any time of the day.
Okay. Well, he just went to check on that for you, right? Okay.
I mean, I know that's what the law is, but it's all about, are y'all going to infringe on my First Amendment right to film? Or are y'all, that's a civil rights violation. If this is what it comes down to, Sergeant. If these officers come back and tell me that I'm not allowed to film inside that building, this is a civil rights violation, and you're gonna be involved along with the officers that are saying I can't. So I would like for you to go and educate yourself real quick before we come to a determination today, because I don't want to go and have to put something against y'all's name.
Okay.
I already filed a complaint on one sergeant today.
Yeah, the other sergeant's going inside right now, I believe, to check on that for you. So get it taken care of.
46025. Oh, and it's my best friend, the officer I just pressed a complaint on.
We're all good.
Oh, okay.
No. I think he flagged us down because he wants to check inside the lobby there, and he was having some issues. So they're looking into that for him right now.
I did my screening so I could film inside the public lobby, and they're just trying to figure out if that's okay for some reason. And for my live audience, Minez here, this is the officer I just pressed a complaint about today. For future reference and for documentation on my video. Strange that he shows up on the call about a guy with a camera, right?
Well, no, the sergeant just said he got flagged down, so they want to come by and check by with him.
This is crazy. We got 3 police units for a guy with a camera. I mean, come on, tax dollars can't go to something better than that. I bet you he's gonna give me his name and not say, I have better things to do this time. I don't want to go in the courtroom. I want to be in the public lobby.
Okay. Look, listen, we're gonna let you inside, right? You have to go through security.
That's fine.
You're okay with that?
I'm completely fine with that.
You cannot go inside in the courthouse.
I do not want to go in the courthouse. I understand the
You can
rules.
go hallways.
I don't need any of the narratives, brother. I understand the rules and exactly what I can and can't do, and I just want to exercise that right.
I got no problem with that, man.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You have a good day, guys. Y'all are dismissed. See?
That's it.
Education, man. For fun and free.
Y'all two together?
All that. She says she can't say what she wants to say right now. They're gonna charge her with another crime. All right. Well, let's check it out inside of here. This place that I'm supposedly not allowed in unless I have court. So this is one courtroom. I'm filming inside of it. I don't plan on going in any of the courtrooms because there's too much private stuff, and that's just so stressful. Nobody cares about that. So down that way, it seemed like they had like a room or two. We got a vending machine this way. This is jail bonding. This is where you do jail bonding. Were you about to find out if I'm allowed to do this?
Yeah.
I am, trust me. They called 3 units before I walked in. Judge doesn't want me in here for what reason?
She don't want him in here.
Judge Marshall? And so am I being trespassed from a public property?
Yes.
Yes, you just agreed to that? You understand it's a civil violation, right?
Okay.
Civil rights violation. And what's your name and badge number? Or I never got it. R-TAN. Okay, so if y'all are asking me to illegally leave this place under threat of duress, I will. Are you telling me I'll be arrested if I don't leave?
Yes.
Okay. So, yeah, I'm about to leave right now. Okay. Yeah, if I have to be under threat of duress, then I am definitely going to see all of y'all in court.
We do need your information before we do that so we can make our report.
If y'all ask me to leave, I'm leaving the property. Unless I'm being lawfully arrested, I'm not. So you're not going to force ID, right?
No.
Thank God. At least you know I have those amount of rights.
Okay.
You're going to court. Look, I got a cam back. Look at this joker. Kicked out of a public area under threat of duress. Wow. Wow. Well, I hope y'all are ready because y'all are about to get a big mass visit. Y'all are about to have a whole bunch of cameras show up.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you for violating my rights. I'll see y'all in court. Yep. See y'all in court.